Oh no, my avatar's exploded again. Come back! Come back! Hello! Oh no! Oh no! I'm vibrating aggressively. It's okay. Mild technical difficulties. I'm vibrating rapidly. What's going on? Hang on, I gotta check some things. Something's clearly gone horribly wrong. Check my webcam. Yeah, that's working. Oh no, we got the strobe back. I don't even know what causes that. Some kind of like atmospheric thing. Um, how do I? Nope, that does nothing. That does nothing. Still nothing. Okay. Apologies. We are experiencing some minor technical difficulties. Oh, this is very bad. I can't show you what's going on. You'll just have to believe me when I say there are shenanigans afoot. Namely, a massive strobe coming down. It's happened before. I don't know why it stopped happening, or why it started happening again, but this is most calamitous. Let's see. Video renderer. Hey, what if I press this button? Does that fix anything? No. Yeah, I can think of to do is to suspend something in my head right there. Or if I could like attach something in the ceiling. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm going to some do some shenanigans. I'm gonna set the be right back soon thing. Let's just starting soon thing. We haven't done that in a while. Yeah, it should take me about 2 minutes to set up. Let's go ahead and actually let's make this 3 minutes just in case. So I will be back in just a little bit. Hopefully I don't die while setting this up, but I think it's kind of necessary. But yes, be right back. Okay, we're back. Hello, hello. Oh man, Chaos, welcome back. Let me know when you return, because I have quite the tale to tell. But yes, good luck with the league game. Let's see. Get rid of the starting soon. And yes, we live. Hello, welcome. Oh, I can see a Lily lurking in the chat. Oh, okay, I understand. So, this weird thing occasionally happens with my phone slash webcam. I don't know what causes it, but there's like a strobe that my light creates, and that completely ruins my tracking software because this massive light beam just randomly cutting through where my face is. My solution was to I've got a cable that I've got taped, like the LAN cable taped to like a ridge in my roof, and it's and it just kind of like goes in that ridge, in like the metal roofing thing. Don't worry about it. It's like a metal cladding roof that I've kind of like taped in there, and it looks pretty neat. So my solution was to take a shirt, pull out a little bit of cabling, tie it around it, so it's like blocking the light from directly hitting my camera. And yeah, so now I have a random shirt hanging from a cable I've got taped to my roof. Oh my goodness, my house is becoming progressively more ghetto by the minute. Ivan, welcome! Educational gambling and Roblox. Okay, very interesting. Welcome to the channel. Oh wait, Ivan! Oh, I remember Ivan. Yes, I remember you. Welcome back. It's been a while. How you doing? You're being educated in Roblox. I mean, I have heard of Minecraft being used as an educational tool, and I quite like. So, if you haven't played this War of Mine, I highly recommend it. It's it's a really good game about, you know, war and suffering, and it's an actual like proper exploration of those themes in a video game that you don't get in like your CODs or your other games, or your other shooty games. And it's actually been shown in schools, in I think Poland it was, and shown in art galleries. So yeah, if you want an educational game, this War of Mine is pretty dang good. Really gets to the horror of the horror that people actually have to endure in conflicts. Anyway, that delightful little aside. How are you doing, Even? Back to our usual wholesome messaging. So there's that. All right, I'm gonna quickly go in and do testing. Oh, welcome back, Chaos. Did you get my whole thing about? Oh, also, Chaos. I think I already showed you this, but in case you missed it, we have some new emotes. We got these three, which I'm very proud of. How cool is that? And oh, I should get Firebot up. I gotta add Firebot to my like startup list of things. Ah, there we go. And I'm gonna pin. Can I pin you? I can pin. Okay, excellent. I've added Firebot to my startup list. And total connections. Yeah, Firebots. Let's go. Koke, welcome. I'm glad you liked them. We have more actually. Koke. Oh, Koke. I'm so glad you're here. I've got more emotes. I've got Foxpaw, and I've got an animated foxtail, and I've got another foxtail. These are all the emotes we currently have. Lily, welcome. I'm better now you're here. Thanks for asking. Oh, also, Koke, I've got some, things in my About Me page. I got little graphics that I'm quite proud of. What do you think? I've been a very busy fox. I've got the branding and the About Me page. I've started making emotes. I've got 2 animated emotes and 3 regular emotes. I've got this that I've penciled in. I've started making weekly sort of schedule things that I post up on Twitter and on the Discord. So I actually find it's really helpful for me to know every morning what I'm gonna do, because otherwise I'm always fretting like, oh no, what do I stream? What do I do? But it's also, I think it's good for other people. Like if there's something they particularly want to see, then they know when to show up. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. Sorry, I was really hyped to show you specifically, Koke, because your branding stuff's really cool, and mm, mm, I yeah. Welcome back, Koke. I'll calm down, I swear. How are you doing? Also, Lily, how are you doing? Have you recovered from your insane 24-hour stream? It is very cool. I love all the cat theme. Oh my god, they're so cute. Did you draw those little cats? They're very, very cute. Good, good, big chilling. Ah, excellent. Well, today I am going to be in Unity, which I think Koke actually knows more about than me. I'm not very talented or knowledgeable in this whole Unity side of things. I avoid it wherever I can. I do not like Unity. Unity is a cruel mistress. I just want to go back to Blender where it's safe and cozy. Nope, I didn't. Aw. Lily only sleeps like, what was it, 4, 5 hours a night? That's insane. You drew all of them. Oh man. You're a talented 2D artist as well. Look at you. You're a Koke of many talents. Oh, also, I actually hand animated that fire sprite. Like, painted it in Critter, like pixel by pixel. It's actually surprisingly easy. Critter's actually pretty dang good for doing, like, very short sprite anime. It's actually kind of, like, ideal for doing short sprite animations. Or pixel art animations. I mean, I think you're pretty good. I love the style. Like I took it more than a little bit of inspiration for my About Me things, for a kind of long brush stroke sort of thing that you've got going on. Lol emotes. Oh man, I'll check it out. Okay, I'm using my phone as a webcam right now, but I will check that out after stream because I'm very interested to see how that's how that is. But yes, you have a very cool sort of About Me branding thing. Love it. So Lily, how are you doing? You said you didn't, as in you haven't recovered yet. Unity can be a bit daunting. It's not that it's daunting. I just don't like it. Like I understand, like it's like when there's that one family member that you just don't like, and people just like, you don't understand him. They're just a bit different. No. I understand them. I understand how they're different. I just don't like them. I just don't like Unity. I like Godot. I like Blender. I even like Unreal. I do not like Unity. I'm only here because I have to, because VR chat's making me. It's like, yeah. Like, I go to Christmas dinner to hang out with, like, the cool family. Unity is just there. Oh, Lily says, I didn't even finish the 5 artworks. How many did you get done? I mean, 5 artworks in 5 hours is a lot. Boy. It's understandable you didn't manage to hit that. Chaos says, I sent a short recording of it, bugging out in our DMs. Oh, thank you. Very curious. Let's see. Sliding on into our DMs. Oh wow, that is interesting. Huh. That's an interesting bug. Lily says, I still didn't sleep, but I'm also not tired, so all good. Are you just like drinking a lot of caffeine, Lily? I'm kinda concerned. How do you manage? My goodness. Stream, well, I suppose you're not streaming anymore, but school, work, streaming, your art commissions, my goodness. Okay says it is a necessary step for the models to come to life, so it is what it is. Yeah, that's my attitude. I just hold my nose. Hence why my file structure is so abysmal. Like I just throw stuff in there, get it working, and get it into VR chat. Like I spend all my time like getting everything looking as good as I can in Blender, and I just speed run through Unity, and then I spend a whole lot of time testing in VR chat. You know, the two sides of the equation that I actually enjoy being in. Lily says, I got only one. They wanted a picture that is completely not my art style. I needed to struggle with one and still needed four. Ugh. Yeah, well, that's why I feel like it's good to know a bunch of artists. Like, if ever I get someone asking me for a commission that's, you know, cutesy and fluffy, I would probably, like, either hit up, like, you know, maybe ask you, Lily, if you're, open for commission, and send them your way, or, you know, an Exy or someone like that. Because I feel like it's miserable for me, and it also doesn't really give the best experience for the client either. Like they're not gonna get as good a quality work from someone who with that style. So yeah, that's why I think like networks of artists are really helpful, not just for like, you know, understanding and being able to have a shoulder to cry on, because we artists do a lot of crying. It's not just a meme. It's not just a stereotype. We are emotional creatures. But also to be able to like send off work that isn't really in your comfort zone. So I'm gonna give this a quick test because one thing I want to do is I want to get all the material changing things going. Okay, says, by the way, I saw the Fox alert in action and it looks amazing. Fox alert? Oh, the jumpy one? That's actually temporary. I think I can kick that off. Last time someone followed. Here we go. If I press this button. You mean that one? I haven't actually. Yeah, I've got a 3D version that I'm supposed to be replacing that with. It's actually I appreciate the compliment, but that's just a temporary holding thing for when until I've got the 3D one finished. I think next week I'm gonna put in a slot just for channel work stuff. Lily says, "What? I don't drink coffee or energy drinks, so no, I just don't get tired so easily." How do you? How do you? I'm chugging like a can of energy drink and multiple cups of tea a day, and I'm still barely able to function. Just had to drop half a can of energy drink just to get stuff. Oh, it's doing this again. Okay, we've experienced this problem before. I don't remember what we did to fix it. I've got to write down somewhere what we do to fix this. Yeah, it just teleports off to nowhere. Why? I think it has something to do with the... Okay, have you ever experienced this? Like, I don't know if you use Gesture Manager, but when you play the scene... Actually, hang on, if I play it without... When you press play? Yeah, well, when you press play, but with the Gesture Manager... Hang on, let's unselect the Gesture Manager. So, you press play, and go to scene, and it's there. It's fine, it's doing its thing. Actually, it does the bicycle pose, which probably isn't ideal. Oh yeah, so yeah, it jumps in, but then when you go to the Gesture Manager, bloop, goes. I don't know where it goes. I think it's miniaturized or yeah, it's gone. Just on. Lily says I started to stay awake late when I was 8, so I'm used to it. Stay awake days without sleep. My goodness, that does not sound healthy. Your brain needs sleep. Pretty sure there's no getting around that. You need at least a little bit of sleep. Unless you become some kind of meta-human. Oh, okay. Well, I'm just thinking if it doesn't work in the gesture manager, it's probably not going to work when I upload it. Actually, we could test that. I am curious. Like, there is a way to fix this, I've just forgotten how. Like, I've forgotten what the problem is, but... I wonder if we upload this. If it'll work in VR chat. Like, if this is just a gesture manager thing. I kind of need the gesture manager to do testing stuff. But... select the platform Windows, quote unquote. I'm just going to call this testing VM. We can set it to private. Blah blah blah. Alright. Set it on. Oh, okay, capture. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so build and publish. This will probably take a while. Koke said, I thought it was just a typical issue when it switches from game instead of scene. No, it works fine if I don't have the gesture manager selected and I switched scene from game. But yeah, it's only when I switch on the gesture manager in this case. And I love that fire. That fire looks so good. I'm so proud of that fire. That fire is fire. Okay, we got... It seems to be compiling well enough. This is kind of a coin flip. What I've really been wanting to do is do more of the map. I really enjoy... I've been wanting to get back into painting maps all week, ever since we... I should give it more than just one slot. Next week. Maybe do two Angel Arts, 2 VR Chat Arts, 2 more Korg Arts, and then the 1 gaming thing in Stardew Valley. If there's a sale on, hang on. Okay. Otherwise, we can just have a quick Minecraft sesh. Stardew Valley... Steam. Nope, no sale. Oh, it's uploading. That's good. Like I said, a bit weird when things disappear. Usually seems good. Oh, usually a change in scale or position. Could be clipping if it got huge. Or maybe some puzzle game. I could play a puzzle. I do like some puzzle games. I would love to play the Talos Principle, but it doesn't play very well with my current graphics card operating system setup. And what's going on here? Why is one hand flat and the other one not? Yes? Oh, I think I know what the problem might be. But I do want to see if it'll work in VR chat before we do anything else. Do I have enough RAM? It's gonna be close. It's gonna be very close. Yeah. I think maybe I should down Unity. Minute. But yes, I'd love to play the Talos Principle on stream someday. But yeah, it's gonna take a... Oh, okay, VR chat needs to update. It's gonna take a minute. But yeah, puzzle games. What other puzzle games? Like, I was actually looking through the puzzle games, section on Twitch. Apparently Zelda's considered a puzzle game. Which I guess makes sense. Anyway, what other puzzle games do I have to play? Ba-ba-ba-ba. You have any suggestions, Chaos? Oh, actually, Astroneer just got its update. Oh, Bubba is you. Oh, that's a good point. But Astroneer, a game I quite like. If we want to do like a multiplayer thing, but hang on. Probably wait till it's on sale. So people can join us. Yeah, I'm gonna be keeping an eye on the Steam sales. Yeah, Baba is you. Let's find that on the store. Baba is you. I've seen Mew play that a little, and it does look like a good lot of fun. Okay, I've added it to my wish list. Okay, Avatar testing station. Let's go. Astroneer is on sale, is it? Oh, is it? Let me see. Astro. Oh, it's 70% off. Okay. Yeah. How long? Till 28th. Okay, well if I do decide to do the game thing on Wednesday, 26th, it'll still be on sale. Okay. Interesting. Alright. That could be fun. French VR. Okay. Let's see. Avatars. Uploaded. Why Paul? Hisbone. So many. Oh, okay. Interesting. Oh, maybe it's the material. What happens if I change into this? Interesting. Okay, yeah, this is very balked. Oh wait, no, it's kind of interesting. Alright. So it doesn't work when we pull it in. It could be fun if we got a couple of people together. Yes! I've never had a chance to play Astroneer multiplayer. So it would be a good bit of fun for me. Especially to have a chance. Okay, so you have one clue. One hand is tilted, the other one isn't, which means I might have grabbed used the pumpkin grabbing thing from the wrong place. Or maybe I got the wrong rig. So I'm just gonna delete that. I'm gonna go back to my meshes. Finals, bunny short. This is the one we're working with just now, the good. Animation, rig, humanoid, other avatar, test. Let's see. Let's try copying it from this one. I know this one works, so we'll copy from this, apply that, and we'll pull you into the state. Okay, so now that's working. Let us do our tool. Avatar tool. It's just copying all the stuff from a previous version. And we want to grab same one as a before. So copy from that. I'm copying to the one we just added. Copy selected. Take a minute. Oh, okay, so the hand's tilted again. Why has it done that? Interesting. Hi, Gray! Welcome! The stinker. Gray! Guess what? I've got new emotes! Look, I did a thing! Fire! So fast. Look at you. Okay, what if we what if we try copying from this one instead? Oh, okay. Okay. So now the hands are all good. like it's one that we want to copy. Beginner's luck. Cute. Oh, how goes the model, Gray? Aw, he's so sweet. I was actually thinking on the way back from the gym, it would be cool. Actually, I'm gonna do it really quickly here. It would be cool to have like a alternate version that's got black badges. We want to go to that has hide that. Open up this. It's a full size. Hang on. What's going on here? Yes, we want 76 scale. We don't want you. Sneeze. Oh man, the mad panic to find the mute button before I sneeze. Grace says, it's almost done! All I gotta do is add a mouth rig and the armature itself. Okay. Did you try using Rigify, the Rigify face rig? But yeah, it would be awesome to have add a filter layer here. Saturation. Make this blue. And then another one here. Filter layer. To make the skin black, or at least a much darker. Well, actually, kind of like I guess it'd be like a dark, very dark blue. Oh well, there's a lot to add to this. Ah! What? Oh, okay, hitting X clears it. Productive Gray. Yes! So proud of you, Gray. But yeah. I think it'd be cool to have a Night Fox variant. I also really need to change up the head symbol. And I'm thinking of, like, maybe doing some more Celtic-inspired stuff. Celtic or Gaelic sort of thing. Grace says, nuh-uh, it's not necessary for the project, exclamation mark. I'll just use shape keys to make a few animations. Okay. But yeah, this could be cool too. I do like the idea of a Grey Fox. Although it would disappear into the back of, like, anyone who's using Darkening, but that could also be cool. Night Fox. Exactly. Be Night Fox. I could be spooky too. Grr. That is actually exactly what I was going for. Like, that's what I was thinking. Well, I think Umbreon's got a blue, yellow tint, doesn't it? Sure, Umbreon's, yellow. Isn't it? Or am I just completely misremembering? Yeah, it's kind of like this color. Which is also very cool. Oh, interesting. Okay, Gray says shiny form is blue. Ah. Okay. Do you think I'd be a shiny Pokemon? But yeah, it would be nice to have a version that's black with the blue paint. And I could actually be pretty easy to make that. Especially for the Unity skin. Anyway, back to Unity. Gotta just quickly add in a animation controller. Add component. I don't know why it doesn't come over with pumpkin tools, but wait, is it animator or animation? I forget. Animator. Yeah, that's the one. Got a controller. That'll be the fairy, and that's what's got all our animations. And now if we play, Fox will be a shiny. Aww. Grace says you are even more rare than a shiny Pokemon, Fox. Sweet. Ah! Ta-da! Wait, hang on. Ah, dang it. I got all excited for nothing. Well... Huh. What's the issue, then? Okay, Koke suggested it might be a scale thing. I think it's a material thing, because the scale's fine in Unity. Sorry, in VR chat. So the scale's fine here. So I hit Gesture Manager. Let's just check. The scale here is 111. Scale here is 100. Okay, that ain't good, but it is what it is. 100 and 100. So now when we hit this, scale is 0. Interesting. Why is the Gesture Manager setting the scale to 0? And how is it setting the scale to 0? Huh. Naked Fox spotted. Let's do a quick round of Googling. See if, maybe... you get Fox to try Factorio so we can bully him about that. You know what? I'd actually be down with that. Yeah, chat. Scale to 0. How would it do that? Ah, Koke says, it's just what I experienced while building characters for Rudo. Interesting. Okay, there's no immediate hits about this. Yeah, no one else seems to have had this problem with Gesture Manager. Koke says, Blender seems to have a problem when exporting scale. Well, like I said, I've had this problem multiple times in the past. There was a fix for it, I've forgotten what it was. Let's... Okay, that all seems to be fine. What if we put the avatar into here? Are you just not going to? Yeah, okay, so what if we, in here, bunny short underscore good, missed. Well, let's just try putting this in there. Just for the memes. See if that does anything. Chaos says, Factorio has really good built-in server hosting. When you create a public game, anyone can join, and it's up to you. And it's up while you are online, since it hosts on your PC, if I'm correct. But, oh, that was the problem. Okay, I just needed something. Okay, let's make sure everything works before we get too excited. Expression, body toggle. Okay, yeah, that works. Let's do the tail wag. Oh yeah, everything works. Yeah. Okay, that's horrific. I don't know what's going on there. Oh, hang on. I know what's going on here. Oh no. Okay, well. Yeah, the head's tilting back. It's done that thing where it's applied a pose, like I've accidentally jiggled the head slightly back, and then when I've applied the modifiers using the plugin, it's also applied the rig position. So now all these shape keys, if I do literally anything. Oh wait, no, it's not doing it for these. Interesting. Oh right, because That's a different mesh. Yeah, so any of the face changes, shape keys are gonna cause the head to tilt back. So, we did figure out what the problem was, though. With the Just Manager, it just doesn't like not having an avatar set in the animator. I'll make a note of that. Let's see. So yeah, in the avatar to do, let's make a little note here. Yes, learning together. Make for animator component as I'm endlessly surprised. Have you seen Koke? Have you seen Yemi typing? They are so fast. My goodness, they I was asking about their TTS stuff. And, you know, how they do it. If they've got, like, a speech-to-text to speech or, like, something like that. But then they brought up the thing and they just typed out some stuff and it's like, it appeared faster than I could read it. Like, I'm pretty sure Yemi could type faster than I can read. Oh, it has avatar. Let's put this in quotes. Avatar slot build. Yeah, oh my goodness, that's so fast. Is that what happens when you try to type fast chaos? So, I'm going to save this, and we're going back into Blender. A little bit mad that I've got to go back and redo this stuff, but also kind of happy that I can get back out of Unity. Not gonna lie. So we're gonna close down Unity because my computer can only handle one large application at a time while streaming. I gotta have Critter, Blender, and Unity open, and even VR chat when I'm not streaming, but streaming eats up so much processing, like computer powers. Oh, Lily says, oh Fox, why did you send the colored picture on Discord? Did I? Wait, send it where? Wait, do you mean where did I send it? Did I send the colored picture on Discord? I don't... Did I? Where did I send it? When did this happen? Lily, you're scaring me. I feel like something happened and I have no memory. Am I getting like super early onset dementia? Oh, no. I know what you mean. Okay. It's because a friend of mine is really into hair drills, and I wanted them to come along and see the coloring in thing, because they, again, love hair drills. And that particular picture had hair drills, so I wanted to send it to them and add them just to make sure. But unfortunately they're working, so they couldn't come along. Now, so sometimes I can lock in and type really fast, especially if I can look at my keyboard. Yeah, I'm also I can type a bit. Hang on, we will export. Let's try exported. See if we can fix this. But yeah, I can type blind type a little bit, but yeah. Like, obviously, like, anything, like, I don't have to look at my keyboard when I'm doing any Blender stuff. Like, my hand knows where all the keys are for anything Blender. But when it comes to, like, actually typing out words, I usually have to look. I can not, I guess, but it's much slower. Lily says, Grey Dev, I was here the entire time. They were watching silently from the shadows. I can delete it if you'd like, Lily, if it's in I don't know, if it's something you don't want up there. If I can find it. But in general? Cookie says, gonna look for a bit and finish house chores. Good luck! House chores are important. Tidy house, tidy life, stuff like that. I can't find where I put it. Lily, I'm sorry. It was just yesterday. Oh, it's okay? Okay, good, because I'm really struggling to find it. Oh, hey. Oh, Pom Pom plays Wordle too. Oh, cute. Shame they've got a such a edgy name on Twitch. I hope they can change it because it's very awkward. Because I'd like to yell out people's names when they join. It's like a compulsive thing, and I can't just yell out Vaporeon thingy, even though canonically it is the most You know what? Let's not get into that. Anyway, so go to our face here. Cal says, yeah, you can change your name once a month. Oh, okay, that's pretty convenient of them. So, see, it's tilting back because of the silly grr stuff. Which means I'm gonna have to scale back. Is this okay, this is the exported one. Let's go to exporting. See if this will help. No. Okay, this is big sad. I'm gonna have to go through the whole exporting process for this again because of this one tiny issue. So yeah, see this rig? It's it looks fine, but if I go clear transform all, oh well, no, hang on, it's already applied. If something's gonna happen, but yeah, it was apparently it seems slightly tilted back when I applied the modifiers, and when you apply the modifiers with the plugin, even if you don't click armature, it still applies the armature modifier to the blend shapes, and yeah, that's why you got to make sure you select all your bones in pose mode and clear transform. You try and apply any modifiers. Chaos says I changed from my old username, which I don't really use anymore, a couple of months ago. Oh, interesting. You look as fine as your rig. Aww. So sweet. Also, great, if you want any custom emotes for your channel, do let me know. I'm getting kind of good at this. Actually, I'm thinking, so when I do mine, I'm going to do like a bunch of fox ones, like, you know, the typical ones, the crying emote, the happy, the angry, the bonk, the gun one. Once I've done those, I could do some for you as well, if you like, since I'll be doing them anyway. Only if that's something you'd be interested in. I'd be happy to. I'll keep all the working files, or I could send you the working files and you can make the changes on your end. But they do ask for 112, a 56, and a 21 pixel. Yeah, pixel versions. Let's see, exporting. Oh, I'm just going to open up this one, exporting excellent, and then Chaos says, Grey only has 2 moods, complimenting Fox and being a sweetie or bully and gaslighting Fox. So, if I go pose, clear transforms all, it forward, which is where it's supposed to be, but for some reason I didn't have it done in the face. Anyway, Ray says, oh, that's so sweet of you, but emotes are not on my to-do list right now. I gotta get used to stream first. Okay, I understand. I'll keep the working files handy though. Sore Fox, shoulder pain. Working so hard on leaving over a hot keyboard, making emotes for the subscribers. Also, I want to change the tail wag one. and put like a little fox in front of that, so that there's you know, a happy little guy and the tail's wagging behind it. Yes, I'd like that, Gray. I'm having a lot of fun making these emotes, especially now that I've learned how to do it. Okay, so we're back to exporting. Aw. Would be cool to do a game jam together someday. Like get a bunch of streamers together. And all stream our individual elements. Here we go, the branches here. So we're gonna untick all of these, and we gotta do all of this again for the third time. I think we got it right this time though. Can only hope. Cal says, I can imagine working together with Fox being fun. I really enjoy game development, so it usually is a good amount of fun for me. And I do like to try and make it fun, because if it's not fun, then what's the point? Let's see, Control-Shift-S. I want to set this to exporting. Exporting good. It would be fun, and I think it'd be really fun working with you, Ray. I've got a in the gamers channel in the Discord. I've got that hooked up to the Game Jam Discord. So every time they post a Game Jam update, it posts in there. So we're always getting the latest news. Looky. So saved. Gonna apply our subsurface, and I'm just gonna quadruple check to make sure all of this is applied. So clear transform. Oh, yep. Gotta do the same for the hex. Why not? Clear transform. Oh, yep. Nothing changed. Oh man, killing me. I was hoping going to the gym might stretch it out, but it was. I'm gonna change my bed. I think there's a knot somewhere under my sheeting. Let's see. So, separate. Oh yeah, we're applying our subsurf and multi-res modifiers, and this is the good version, so this gets literally all the modifiers applied to it. Or not literally. Not the subsurf, obviously. I'm gonna apply you and apply you. Same for everyone else. Don't need any of these. He says, I'll be right back. I post the one picture now, I'm finished. Congratulations! See? See, okay, so we've got our subdivision, now solidify, so I'm going to go ahead and object, there's modifiers, subdiv and solidify. Done. Now the same with the body. Don't need the smooth. We need the subdivision solidify. See objects, apply shows and modifiers, subdiv and solidify. Boom. And this one's going to take a wee while because it's got the most blend shapes and the most polygons. Oh, we're getting an ad break in a little bit. We should maybe we should all get up and have a stretch. I'm definitely gonna get up and see if I can find a tennis ball somewhere. Apparently you've got like a knot in your shoulder. Getting a tennis ball and backing up to a wall. You can use it to kind of work the knot out of your back if you don't have someone to help you with that. Okay, so let's apply that and apply that. Yep, we're all good. Same with the collar. We're gonna have to use the plugin for this one. Choose a modifier, subdiv and solidify. Boom. Done. Best. This. We've got to go into tab mode, edit mode with the shape key selected, because otherwise that bugs out. Check real quick. Yeah, that works fine. Okay. So, alright. Applying the modifiers for the best. Solidify, okay. Yep, that's worked. Same with this one. But yeah, with puzzle games, I really, really loved the Talos Principle. 1 and 2. Talos Principle 1 still works on my computer, and I haven't played it in a long time, so maybe some of the puzzles would be new to me again? Oh wait, Talos Principle, oh wait, okay, so Talos Principle 2 had a re-release. Satisfactory might be a good game to play together. I've played it with, Rissy and, New before, and it worked really smoothly on Steam's services. Let's see, object, apply choose modifiers, those two, okay. And, object, modifiers, solidify, and that's all the modifiers done, I think. Let's double check. Yep. And, yes. Okay, cool, that's that done. So, tickle. Actually, let's just take the top one. Merge all the meshes. Easy peasy. Be sure we get the eyes. I always forget the eyes. Collar. It's the tops of the swimmers, the bottom swimmers, and the pants. That's everything. We need to make sure the body is the highlight one. J. And then do the same with the rigs. Oops. Yeah. J. Test. That works. That works. That works. And... Yep. And... Oh, hang on. We've got some vertices being left behind here. Oh no, this is not good. I mean... Okay, it's just one vertice. But, why is it being left behind like that? Interesting. Lily says, Fox, give me a title that I can use to post. I have no idea. What's the picture? I can't give you a title about a picture I don't know anything about. Use slowly. But yeah, just give me a title and I'd be delighted. Let's quick little bit of weight painting. Apply it to this one. I think this one. And just radius, make radius small. I send it. Okay. I want the strength to be. No, we don't want the weight to be too much. And if I just hit, there it is. All right, problem solved. And clear transforms all done. Okay, fully sended it. Let's see. But Instagram, I assume. Insta. Oh, you've got a new profile pic. Oh, oh wow! Oh, she looks so cute. Can I show this on stream? Oh, you even did some shadows behind it. Oh, that looks really good. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, I presume it's okay to share this. So do you have a title? Well, I like Choco Sweet. Choco, this just sounds like, hang on. Oh, we got an ad starting 1 minute. Choco Sweet. You know, like Chocominto Ice kind of thing. Which, or maybe caramel sweets? Welcome! Oh wait, no, that's a gross bot. Thank you, Chaos! Um, or maybe caramel sweet? She just looks so sweet. Anyway, ad starting in 30 seconds. I hope everyone else gets up and has a stretch. I'm going to get up and see if I can find a tennis ball to help work this not out of my back. Um, and if anyone else has any ideas for a title for this, please let us know. Also, Lily, you have such a cute ball pic. She looks beautiful. Whoever this is. But yes, Lily's profile, by the way, they've all linked Instagram. They have a lot of really, really cute art here that I adore. I especially like this one, my favorite. Oh man, she looks so cool. Demon lass. Anyway, back over here, and ad starting soon. I will. I'm gonna get up, have a stretch, and I will see you all again in a little bit. Oh, actually, hang on. I guess Lily, since you're a subscriber, you probably get ads. I don't get ads. Anyway, I gotta get up and have a stretch anyway. So yes, I'll let you know why it's my favorite in just a sec. That's much better. So I didn't find a tennis ball, but I did manage to find myself an onion. So I just spent the whole ad break grinding an onion against the wall. Hack. What did you? How was your day? The heck is that? There it is. Oh man, that feels so much better. Yeah. Ah. So what I miss? Oh, why is it my favorite? Because I have a special place in my heart for Demon Girls. I think I was talking to Aduna about this a while ago. No, I think I was talking about this on stream with Aduna. And that time's really making some funny noises. I have a good thing for bad girls. You know how people make fun of some ladies for just always being into the bad guy. I can't laugh at them because I'm exactly the same. I like girls that are bad for me. But I think maybe that's why I like Demon Girls so much, because they kind of like exemplify that. But also she's just really cute. I love the pose. The pose is very nice. The dress is like gorgeous. Hang on, I'll bring it up on screen so everyone else knows what I'm talking about. And I'll drop a link to your Insta thing here, so people can follow you if they'd like to. So this is let's see. This is the Instagram here. Is that a pin? But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I love her dress. Her dress is so it's elegant, but also a little bit sexy, and I love the arm stockings. I love stockings in general, and of course arm stockings are gonna work. The hair is gorgeous. My goodness. This is actually exactly how I like to model hair. Like, this is my favorite style of hair in general. But I also really like modeling this kind of style of hair. And the horns are cool too. There's some really cool horns. And yeah, I just really like it in general. It's a cute picture. The anatomy is great. I love the this little bit in the collarbone. But yeah, I love the style. I love the line thickness. It's just generally a really, really cute, really well done picture, and I love everything about it. It's definitely my favorite. But they're all awesome. I like this one too. This one makes me think of Danny Crimson. If any of you have seen Crimson Dan, they come by from time to time. But this reminds me of Crimson Dan so much. Aw, I want to say thank you to all the people who look at my art. I love you all so much. I should probably get a profile pic. Probably get my Instagram properly set up. But yes! Go give Lily a follow if you're not already. They do really cool stuff. Or should I say, give Lily a follow on Instagram if you have an Instagram. I didn't have an Instagram account until Lily forced me to. I was forced to get an Instagram account under threats of violence that were implied. I think I missed a couple of messages. Let me do some scrolling. Grace says, Lily is cute herself. Of course she draws cute stuffs. Lily says, but I post the cute stuff I have. Other stuff to not only cute. Oh, okay. Grace says, I will steal that special spice. I don't know what that's referencing. Yeah, I forced him, yes. Chaos says, I only have Insta because my friends kept sending me reels, and it was annoying each time opening up Insta from Discord. Ah. So yeah, pro tip, if ever you've got like a sore, sore back shoulder thing, just grab an onion and crush it against the wall with your back muscles. Anyway, where were we up to on our to-do list? Let's see. Do a quick retest. Just did that. Reparent hair bone. You can do that. Go to edit mode. Let's reparent all these bones while we're at it. So the ear bones and the hair bone get parented to the head bone. Keep offset. And we've got to reparent these bangs to the hair root. Keep offset. Lily says, "Wait, Fox. The title, which one now? The I feel. Oh, hang on. Let's bring it up again. So just in case anyone else has some ideas. So messages. Really. This one. Yeah, I think something like Choco Sweet would be cute, or maybe something like coffee sweets, coffee sweets. Because she makes me think like, you know, chocolate ice kind of thing. She looks like she's very cake coated, candy themed. Oh, fi. That's definitely a good option. Sweet. Caramel sweet. Choco sweet. Something sweet. It looks very sweet, I think. So that's that done. You can check that off. We've done that, and we did this. All modifiers, we've already done that. Split head from body. Yeah. What was it doing? Oh, right, we were separating the head from the body. Yeah. Very important stage. Where's the... Oh, there we go. Link. Link select on all these, and grab the eyes while we're at it. Lily says, okay, thanks. You're welcome. BRB, good luck! Okay, wait, is that everything? That is everything. So P selection on that. P is short for separate. That's a P and separate, so I guess it makes sense. It's a bit of an odd question, but has anyone here seen the original Star Wars? Like the very first? Like the A New Hope Star Wars? Let's see. To-do list, let's find that. Remove head shape from body. Done. Oh wait, no, hang on. We split the head from body, now we've got to remove shape keys. Okay, so there's all the Viseam. Here we go. There's the claws. We've got to get rid of the head. Got to get rid of these ahead. Got to get rid of this as well. And then we do the same for the body, just in reverse. Get rid of these from the body. And then I think the last thing to do, if I remember correctly, is to rename the body and the head. Wrong. So count. So yeah, we're getting rid of the and eyeball ones, and I don't think this one even does anything. Yeah, it does literally nothing. We got rid of that one, and yeah, then we're good. So, alright, we're getting rid of the shape keys, and I think the next thing is the name changing. It is! So, we gotta make sure. Unnamed. Just called body base. And the head, I really should rename these, but then I have to redo like the whole pumpkin thing and make all the settings line up. But yeah, this naming convention is terrible, but it gets the job done. Like, fixing this would require a lot of work in Unity. And you all know how much I hate working in Unity. Please don't make me do it. Connect the air basement. Oh, yep, we've already done that. Alright, now we're good to export. Now let's make sure we remember to hit the selected only button. So FBX, bunny short, selected objects, very important, and turning off apply modifiers because that tends to make things very much awry. And try this. Then we should have, after all that nonsense, we should have blend shapes on the face that don't make the eyeballs roll into the back of it. Make his eyeballs pop out of his head. We'll also do a Control-Shift-S and save this as exported. Good. Just in case we need to come back to it. I don't know what that flash was. That was very concerning. That was probably a whole wall of errors that, hopefully won't come back to bite us. Okie dokie, so let's have a look. And we can test this just in here without needing the gesture manager. And yes, it works! No more eye bulging. Fun as that was. Happy. Welcome back, Lily! And sad. Yeah, they all work. Excellent! So, the whole reason we were doing this in the first place was to check the skin variations. And the way they work is fairly simple. It's just a material switch animation. It's just an animation that changes what material is being run. Just manager. So, what body materials do we have at the moment? We've got black one, the fox one, which needs fixing. Oh, yay! Good job, Chaos. We've got the serval skin, got the tanuki skin, got the audio link skin, and we've got the special skin, which is currently set to Rissy. Oh, we've got the snow. So we'll set this special skin to be my skin, and we'll set the snow leopard one to be actually the snow leopard skin. So let's go with that. see. Materials? So, unlock the shader, and then it's taking a while to do that. There we go. Oh, so I'll put texture on there, and then we'll go to the special, which I think is called Annexi. Yeah, special one is going to be this one. Oh, we're gonna unlock it first. How fast you done that, lol? What, me making this model, or Chaos giving you the like? Oh. Oh, okay, so it literally means that they post their art. F5, F5. Cute! Aw, she's so cute. Love it. What do you mean without doing anything? I think Lily's been working very hard on their Insta stuff. They've made a lot of really cool works. I think they're doing great. Again, I really love the demon. Oh, you're already. Oh, Chaos is already becoming popular. Of course you are. Also. Yeah. Ah, okay, yeah, I'm following Chaos. Excellent. Yeah. So, let's see. But yeah, I haven't had any more skins. I would like to fix up a couple of these skins. Like this, the fox skin isn't great. And that was just me stuttering. I wasn't a double. Is that a double entendre? I don't. Yeah, English is weird. Let's. Stream manager. Boing. Also, I gotta figure out why this hair's kind of like just vibing in space. I think. Oh, I wonder if it's doing that. It's kind of hanging out to either side. Is it because? Oh, it's probably because the collisions. The head collisions. All the bones are inside the head collision. It doesn't like when you do that. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what's going on. Oh. Okay, I'm done. Oh, right, we're checking the gesture manager. And the body materials. Make sure these all work. Okay, so there's a snow leopard. Remove the clothing temporarily. Fell down. So there's the snow leopard skin. There's the special one, aka me. Audio link. Key. Serval. Foxo. And the plain black one. Okay, cool. Now it seems like the head collision's a bit big. We'll scale that down. And one problem I've... Oh, Fox got the best chat. We do have the best chat. I'm so blessed by the folks that are coming along here. Couldn't do without you. Okay, so the hair's not clipping. That's good. Ears are flopping very nicely. But yeah, I'm... I don't know what I did to be blessed by such amazing, wonderful people who keep on coming back, but you're all amazing. I hope so. Because then, Gray's chat's gonna be even more wholesome and kind. And Gray deserves the best chat. And I deserve another cup of tea. Wow. I got a little kettle right next to me. I can just fill up. That's how much of a tea addict I am. I can't be 5 meters away from a kettle at any one moment. It's in my contract. I must have fresh tea within arm's reach at all times. Gray's chat will be full of cats. Aw, can I come too? You can have boxes and boxes as well, right? A little fox in the mix. What was I doing? I got distracted by tea. Alright, we were doing some testing. So, gesture manager. Let's change the material to something that we can see changing. Okay, I think the snow leopard one would be best for this. I'm sure Gray won't mind. Yay! I can be the fox in the hen house. Body toggles. So, the hips work okay. The belly body toggle works. I can't really see that from here. Oh yeah, that works. Oh, that's so cute. Belly toggle works okay. Expression, body toggles. Thighs work well. Chest. Chest works, but another thing I want to test real quick is how the chest works at different sizes with the... Oh, okay, that actually works really well. Chest still flops around. At this scale? See how it looks from the side. Okay, that looks a bit weird, but that's okay. Alright, cool. That all looks like it's working perfectly. Really says, I gave up right now with the second artwork. That looks horrible. Aw. It's, yeah, the pain is real. I understand. I really struggle with, starting new artworks when they look not great at the start. I get so impatient. I want it to look good now! But... yeah, take a break, Lily. You can always come back to it later. Maybe you just needs some space. Then you can come back with, a fresh set of eyes and, a new perspective. Okay, so, this... oh. Just finished. My kettle just finished boiling. Just add some water to my tea. Sweet. Oh, warm tea again. Okay, so, I think... clicking them. Delicious. Ah, I see. What's the style? I need to scale in the head collision because I think that's colliding with the hair bones, not just the bangs, but also the hair bones at the back seem to be acting strange. Ah, here we go. Spine, chest, neck, head, and... How do you know? Oh, so I think gives most of it off. So, should I send? I mean, only if you want to. I'd be happy to see. I'd be delighted if you were interested in sharing. But no pressure. Okay, so I think this... Ah, okay. I think this head collider is just a smidge too big. So... Can... Wait, you have two? Why do you have two? Oh no. You have two on everything? So you do have two on everything. Okay, that's concerning. But easily fixed. I'm going to straight up delete you. And we're gonna go and grab Ashes. Ashes? Oh, that's the wrong Ashes. Ashes! Funny shot. Good. Bring one in, and yeah, we're just gonna do the same thing. All the work we did on this, quote-unquote, up to this point is mostly just changing materials around, which is, the materials themselves, so they don't really mind that we're messing with this now. Okay, I will not show it in stream, I promise. Avatar. Look at this. Transferring over, and then I will take a look. From Bunny 1. Selected. A-OK. Add an animator. And controller, so animations to you. And then give it avatar. Avatar to you. That's alright. Wait, no, that's alright. Need okay. Oh, I mean, you're right, it's definitely not your usual style. Details on it are fantastic. I mean, you've really adapted to the new style well. But I can see why you'd be frustrated. It's very different to usual style. But trying new things is a great way to grow and learn new things. So detailed, my goodness. Okay, so back in the armature, we'll scroll down until we get to the head, neck, head. Gotcha. Okay, cool. Now we've only got one. That's good. 0.08 might be a good number. And then we're going back a little. Actually, no, we're going to make this 0.09. And then position 0. Let's throw 7. Why is this a funny number? See, negative. Point 0. In the negative. Cam says, I'm gonna talk to my friend now. I will join back in a little later. Okay, good luck. But he says, I need to draw in that style. I mean, you're very good at this style. I can understand why it's frustrating, but yeah, maybe just take a break. It looks very... Oh, it's so detailed. It must take a lot to draw in that style. Okay, so we negative 0 and then 8. Okay, let's play this and see how it looks. Okay, so the hair's still kind of weird, going in weird direction. The side bangs are in the right position now, so the side bits are fine. The side bits, not so much. Let's try changing the radius down to 0.8. Oh, interesting. 7? Oh, do you just not update? Okay, I think it just doesn't update the collision size until we reload it. So let's go ahead. Size to 7. Now we'll give it a play. See how that looks. Is that better? I'll tell. Oh yeah, I think that's better. It's still jerking back a bit, so yeah, that's set to head 7. What if we sent it negative 0.7? Oh, okay, so you're not affecting that back hair at all. Interesting. He says, by the way, that one coffee sweet drawing took me 14 hours. Why did it took me longer when... Is that including the time we spent yapping about coloring? Or is that just the line art and the coloring bit? Okay, so those... Hang on. It's not... Okay, so these settings look like they're good. So, these are the settings we want? End the play mode. Under the head. So 9. And we'll give it a play. Well, I mean, it makes sense. I spent a lot of time withdrawing as well. Okay, cool. That's that looking pretty well done. Let's go. I'm gonna control S this. How much time? 20 minutes. Okay. I'm going to take a quick break from this. I'm gonna whip up next week's schedule. And, might call it early tonight, because I'm feeling tired, my shoulders still hurt. And, we've got a big week, starting tomorrow. I'd also like to get in and do some more emotes. I get started on those. Oh no! Are you gonna have enough sleep? Okay, so I reckon if we just grab this, our angel and this, put down on level here. Wednesday's gonna be our gaming day. Not sure what to put in there. I'm gonna have to make a quick graphic. My sleep. Because you haven't slept much this week. Okay, so Angel, Morkborg, Vtuber, Angel, okay, and then we're gonna do another Morkborg. Interesting. Why do you... Oh, interesting. I had that layer locked. I didn't know that it worked like that. Locking a layer would stop it from being moved, but of course the mask is unlocked, so that moves a-okay. Huh. Okay, so that's that. So we've got... And... because most people need sleep, what do I know? So, we can either do Astroneer. I think Astroneer would be fun. I'm not tired. Okay. Yeah, I keep forgetting that you're above sleep, above and beyond. I, however, am not. I am absolutely not above sleep. I need my sleep. I need so much sleep. Friends who already have Astroneer. How many friends do I have that have Stardew Valley? Oh, 17. Oh, including Gray. And Anexi. And Rissy. Okay, I think we'll do Stardew Valley. Find a image. Do Valley. Wednesday you game? Yes. I think Wednesday is a good day, I mean, for me at least, because Wednesday seems to be one of the slower days on Twitch, and it also seems to be the day I'm most tired. Wait, hang on. No. Not Wednesday, Thursday. Wait, no. Not Wednesday, Tuesday. What day is it for you? It's Sunday for you right now, right? So I think it'd be Thursday for me. Ah, okay. Sunday. Yeah, so Wednesday. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got that right. So let's find a good banner image thing. Stardew Valley. Oh, this'll do. That's massive. That. I mean, it's good, but large. I mean, okay, so it's Wednesday when I wake up, but it's Thursday when I start streaming. Because I start streaming at 2:30 and 2:30 a.m. my time. Okay, so this will say 19th. Guess we'll put this. Let's scale this up a bit. Okay, let's scale it up a bit. Because it'd be good to have like the title. Hang on. Didn't mean to do that. All right, let's actually. Lily says, okay, then for me Wednesday because you start streaming at 5 p.m. here. Yes. Like the only person that these dates don't apply to is me. All these dates are one. Like I'm one ahead of all these dates. Let's see. Would you be interested in playing Stardew Valley with us, Lily? Would it be terribly uncouth of me to flip this? Okay, I'm gonna do it. And there's nothing you can do to stop me. Mwahaha. Duplicate this. I'm gonna call this Valley. Okay, you're not letting me pop. How would you go? Get in. Get in there. Oh, right, of course. Stardew Valley? Oh, okay, you can't because you have 9 hours school. Well, playing Stardew Valley, you know, for a while. Usually when we get into this, we keep at it for a good long while. I think maybe a different image might be in order. Maybe this one? Image. But yeah, have you ever played Stardew Valley? I would like to find an image that fits. Oh, here it's PNG. Ah, it is perfect. And scale this down. It's here. Oh, I mean, I've only played it a little with some friends. It's just a really cute kind of farming game that you can do with friends. See, it's got a little goat and some chickens. Yeah, farming, you know, planting seeds, growing crops. It's a game that a lot of people in the Discord have already. Gray's got it. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how to play the game either. We'll be learning together. I've only played it a little bit, and I mostly just go fishing. I like fishing. Okay. Let's see. That fits. Give it an outline. On an outline. There we go. That's next week's schedule. Oh, hang on, the dates are wrong. Oh, there goes our daily disconnect reconnect. Oh well, I was just about done anyway. Let's 24th? Save. Fourth, fifth. Lily, welcome back. Is it 5? Yes, it's 5 a.m. my time right now. Fifth. 26. Also, welcome back! I'm just gonna finish this up, and then I think we're gonna call it a day for the night, because I'm tired. 27. Friday, 28th. Oh wait, 28th. 28th. 9th. And 30th. That's crazy, it's only 7 PM here. Yeah, I know, time zones, am I right? Wait, it's only 7 PM though? Huh? Oh, it is too. We'll snooze that for a little bit. Well, usually I'd stream much later. But oh, it's all. And tired. And I've got everything done I really wanted to. And also So, that's next week's schedule. Oh, hang on. No, it's not. No, this is entirely wrong. We were gonna do this. We gotta do the PNG tuber stuff. I completely forgot about that. Oh man, I gotta come up with some graphics for this. Alright, well I guess we are having an ad break, because it's not gonna let me snooze this for much longer. Yeah. Ad break in 5 minutes. So yeah, I gotta make up some PNG tuber graphics. How do I illustrate that? Well, let's start by disappearing this, and this. We're not doing these multiples after all. Instead, we're doing the PNG tuber tutorial stuff. I suppose I've also got to get that set up. What kind of graph could I use for this to illustrate that I'm doing PNG tuber art? I don't really have any art done of it yet. Oh, I know what I could do. File, open. Where is my... Okay. Here we go. Maybe I could use leave. Open recent. That is... I've got this. Luke says, oh, I just noticed I watched with my mobile's data. Oh no, isn't that expensive? Man, mobile data here is really expensive. I don't know what it's like where you are, but oh boy, that would be costing me a lot. Oh, okay. Lucky you. Oh, I know. I can use this graphic. Until we have something to place it with. But yeah, so let's duplicate this. This PNG. PN box PNG. Okay, let's go P. Art. How do you get so tired so fast? Well, I went to the gym today. I was up very late well, till very early yesterday. Wasn't even last night. And I've been streaming every day for the past few months. It's starting to wear on me, I think. Let's see. King. PNG. PNG Tuber. Avatar. Oh my god. PNG Tuber Avatar assets of box. Saturday tutorial. And then we'll move this across a little. Okay, cool. Take this, because I think I'll probably need 2 sessions to do this. And we'll go through. Okay, and then we'll duplicate this. And down. And then we'll edit this one. Here we go. The tutorial, and I hope that'll fit. It does fit! Huzzah! Tutorial. Well, setting up. I mean, Lily, surely you know how exhausting, Oh, yeah, you're in an ad. Wait, I don't think you're an ad. Are you in an ad? I don't know. You got the gift sub, so I don't think you get ads. Or can you just pull ads? I don't know. It's a mystery. I'll just wait until the ads are done. Or wait until it tells me the ads are done. Setting. Hang on. Up. Oh, wonderful. Yeah. Don't you get tired from doing a lot of streaming? Like, doesn't streaming exhaust you too, or is it just me? Painful. Ah, here we go. BS setup. Okay, cool. That's next week's. It's a bit bland with the these template pieces. I don't Will I need I don't think I'll need 2 days to set up the PNG tuber art. Let's just make it fun. I might be courting disaster. But we'll find out. Blake says, nah, streaming gives me energy. And you know I don't stream. Yeah. Yeah, it gives me energy too, but it also tires me out, paradoxically. Okay, so another arts. Oh, yeah, wait, no, this is like VR streams. I'm gonna need to do another VR chat stream, so I need to get that. I really need to get that work done. Grab this one, I think. And there we go. That's next week's layout. Do VTuber concept, and then TRPG art, and then Stardew Valley, VR chat avatar, change YouTube art, change YouTuber tutorial, and then VR chat avatar. Also, today's really kind of quiet, so I think it might be the ideal day to pack it in early. Get some recovery in, some chill music, maybe play some Minecraft. Great. So, with all that set up, let us find someone to read. Gray! Hello! Look, Gray! I've got the PNG stuff on next week's schedule. I'll post this as soon as the stream is done. We just finishing up the stream though. We're currently looking for someone to read out and do. Yes, me too. It'll be really good for me because I really want to get the stream stuff. Sorry, I'm just completely brain exploding. Oh yeah, the PNG YouTube art stuff done for myself. So I've got something to use when we do the collabs again. So let's see. Let's see if there's anyone doing Blender stuff. Blender. That was in German. Not that we have anything against the Germans, but probably want someone in English since we've got mostly English speakers here. Ah, welcome back! Hope you enjoyed your food. Oh, this looks cute. Willow. Oh wait, no, that's not English. Man, no one's streaming. No one's Yes. Today's really quiet, so I figure it's probably the ideal day to pull it early. So no one's doing Blender stuff. Hi. Wait. Blender VIPO. Create a club. Is this English? Got a cute little demon fella. Oh no, they're gaming. Why'd that come up in Blender? Let's see. Well, there's always Freddy. Freddy's pretty cool. They do they do miniature painting, and they're a pretty rad person. Oh, they're wearing a suit today. Look at them, being all fancy and stuff. Okay, let's raid Freddy. Freddy's cool. I like Freddy. They do late night streams of them painting miniatures after work. It's a good time.
slash raid. Ready. So, thank you so much, Lily and Gray, for coming along. It was really fun. It was a quiet day. I think quiet days are important sometimes. Can't be like super hyper 19 people in chat every day. It's good to have these small personal ones. I hope you appreciate the emotes. I've got more coming. I've got more planned. Oh, yay! I look forward to it. You're gonna be racing Gray to be first, or racing Chaos to be first, then we'll see. But yes, thank you so much, both of you, for coming along. I really appreciate hanging out with you. It's been really fun, and I look forward to next week. So yeah, next time you see me, we will be doing the VTuber concept stuff again, or angel drawing. But until then, it's been amazing. I adore you both, and I will see you next time. Bye.
And yeah, thank you for shouting him out. Yeah, yeah, man, it's good to see you. What were you working on today? Were you still working on the character art?